Hello friends, today we will discuss importance of co-curricular activities and role of teacher in organizing them. Co-curricular activities are those activities which complement academic learning and contribute to the all-over development of students. They include sports, arts, debates, field trips, clubs, drama, role play, etc. It helps in all-round development of students. Co-curricular activities develop students' intellect, emotions. It makes them social and physical. Fitness is also acquired through sports type co-curricular activities. It develops the life skills, essential life skills such as teamwork, communication, time management, problem solving, interdependence, etc. It helps in personality development through participation in debates, drama, music, boost the self-confidence and public speaking abilities of the students. It reduces the stress and it gives them a break from academic stress and allow them to relax and recharge. Through co-curricular activities, the talents of students are identified and they can lead the team to the state level or national level. It improves academic performance by getting a break from monotonous learning, and it increases discipline, responsibility, and engagement. Social integration activities like community service clubs, group projects encourage cooperation and respect for others' opinions. It develops civic sense and values through NSS, scouts, guides, etc. Role of teacher in organizing co-curricular activities. Teachers plays important role in planning, guiding, and managing co-curricular activities in the school. First of all, they plan and schedule. Teachers help to plan the yearly calendar of co-curricular activities in alignment with the school curriculum. Teachers encourage and motivate students for co-curricular activities by recognizing and appreciating their efforts. Teachers identify interests and talents of students and guide them to join the suitable activities. Teachers organize various events, maintain discipline, and supervise the function or activities and ensure the safety of students during activities. Teachers act as mentors and facilitators and provide training and guidance in specific skills or performance. Evaluation and feedback. Teachers assess the students' participation and give constructive suggestions for improvement. Role model. Since teachers are actively involved, they set an example and inspire students to balance academics and extracurriculars. Co-curricular activities are essential for shaping holistic development of individuals. Teachers, with their leadership and supportive role, ensure that these activities contribute meaningfully to students' educational experience.